Hello and welcome back. So let's start with how to change the Wi-Fi password and name. Okay, so I just press Ctrl R on my keyboard and I'm typing the CMD again, which is already there, CMD, and then we're gonna find out what's my current IP address. Okay, so I just type in IPCONFIG and there you go. This is my IP. In your case might be the different IP address, but usually you need to get the default gateway to have access to your router. So I'm just press Ctrl C here and I'll open a browser and I press Ctrl V and it will redirect me to my router setting actually. So here we have the few options. We have the Wi-Fi, we have the network, and etc. Okay, so to change your Wi-Fi password and name, you click on the wireless. If you have a different model of the router or modem, you can refer to your manual and find out how to have access to your router, but usually it's called wireless on your router. So you just click on that one and it will show you the name and the channels of your Wi-Fi. So to change these settings, you click on change settings like that, and it will ask you for the username and the password, which is usually back of your router. It's like the small cards like that, so it's back of your router. I'm gonna just type in my admin password here. Okay. Okay, yes, yeah, we're in now. So here we have the wireless. You can disable it or enable it. So here you have the channels 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz, and we have a network name. Let's just change the network name. I'm gonna just, for example, says TechPro 247, and this option is WPS. It will enable to connect to your router or modem. So if you just look at your devices, for example, if you have a printer or you have the smart devices, they usually have these WPS on them. So, and on back of your router you have this button as well. Okay, I will talk about this one later. So yes, we changed the network name. Okay, and now we're gonna change the password. Here is the security password. Okay, so you need to be sure when you're choosing the security password you're using. Yes, so security password should be something very good, and you have to write it here. And yeah, so that's what for the security password and the network name. And on this modem it merged 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, and it shows only one Wi-Fi name for you. So if you want to have the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz separate, because some of the devices only work with 2.4 currently, most of the lights and smart devices for the smart home or smart automations, they mostly work with the 2.4 gigahertz. So, and to separate these two, you can just press on this button here. It says separate bands, and we can have the two different names now. So we choose TechPro for the 2.4 gigahertz, and we change this one also to TechPro 247, maybe dash and 5 5G, like that. So it shows me this is for 5 gigahertz and this one is a normal one for 2.4. and then you click on save. That's it. Accept. And after you changing the Wi-Fi username and password, remember this, you need to reset your modem. Okay, so just press yes, and then it will reset my modem. And thank you for watching me, and I'll be back soon with another video. Thank you.